Well, good afternoon, everybody. I'm Gray, shot down on the sticks alongside Doggone Sci-Fi behind the wheel. We're going to take you on another full self-drive aerial video of Tesla's FSD 11.4.4.
All right, coming up to a roundabout. Let's play the game. Does it throw me into the roundabout? Does it fail to yield? Does it go into the roundabout and slam on the brakes?
This was the
or
terrifying roundabout
does it
for
do
me.
it correct? Slowing down for vehicles. Okay. All right. I like it. And go. Go. Love taps. God, that felt like I got close.
I couldn't really tell from the air, but it did feel relatively smooth, even though I was being thrown to the right-hand side the whole time.
It felt like I got a little close on the right, on the end there.
Felt a little aggressive, though. For the chill mode setting. This drive might not be as dramatic since we're heading into the sun,
Yeah.
but we'll take advantage of it.
A drive's a drive.
It's true.
You get what you get. That's going to be the motto when I go back to work in the fall.
It's true.
You get what you get. Sorry.
A little herky-jerky there, right?
Yeah. I got too far over to the right that I tried to fix it. Then I said, screw it.
I was just trying to keep the viewers from throwing up on the sticks, but
Coming up on a left turn.
for the passengers in the car, it was a bit shaky.
Turns have not been its strong suit.
No, it's been doing weird things. It wasn't too bad. Maybe cut still a little bit. Like cut over and do the opposite lane.
Maybe, but that wasn't really bad.
I was gonna say
Better than the last turn.
I can yeah. Last turn, that right hand turn back there.
It will not fully navigate to this park for some reason, so I'll have to manually drive the end of it.
No problem. Well, thanks again for tuning in, you guys. If you guys are liking the content, make sure to like, comment, and subscribe. And we'll keep them coming.